With its daring two-tone paint job, this one-off concoction from German tuner Mansory, called the Vitesse, looks like it should be the official car of Pittsburgh's pro sports teams. The unique style, which nearly divides the Bentley Continental GTC donor car in half but sees the yellow paint take up slightly more real estate, is a first for Mansory. The color scheme makes the one-of-a-kind Bentley look like a rolling mascot for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Pirates, or Steelers. While the 2010 Wiz Khalifa banger black and yellow is a certified classic, we're not sure the color scheme works quite as well on the Vitesse, but the Continental GT convertible's motor should still produce a sonorous noise. Mansory doesn't specify whether it uses the twin-turbo V8 or the twin-turbo W12, but the hexagonal exhaust tips match the look seen by Mansory's previous 12-cylinder Continental monstrosities. Either way, the engine has been fiddled with by Mansory, now producing a whopping 740 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of torque. This is a substantial increase over any factory Continental, even blowing the 650 horsepower speed model out of the water. The Vitesse sprints to 62 miles per hour in a claimed 3.3 seconds, a slight improvement over the 3.6 seconds 60 miles per hour sprint that Bentley quotes for the GTC speed. Meanwhile, Mansory's 206 miles per hour top speed claim is actually 2 miles per hour down on what Bentley estimates for the standard car. Details are otherwise sparse, but the main draw of the Vitesse is the wild color combo. Along with the exterior bodywork, the interior has received the same polarizing asymmetric treatment, with the left side seats upholstered in yellow leather and the right colored in black. The quilted leather extends to nearly every surface inside the car, including the dashboard, the floor mats, and the transmission tunnel. A plaque on the center console declares the Vitesse's unique nature. There's currently no word on how much it'll cost, but we're sure Mansory will be able to find a buyer who has more money than taste to add the Vitesse to their collection.